channel.
Today on Payazi channel, we will solve this Einstein paradox stone puzzle. We have 8 in each sides of the square and we have 6 more stones on the middle one. What we will do is, we will first count each side and see how many stones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each side has 8 stones. And now we have 6 stones in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we will do, we will move one stone, one by one stone, and we will count the sides. We will move this stone to here and we will move this one on the other side. Now let's count the stone. We have decreased the count of middle stone from 6 to 5 and we will count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still we have count 8 on each side. What I did was, I moved one stone from here and on this side we were having 9 stones. So what I did was, from the corner of the stone I moved one stone from here to other side. So this become from 9 minus 1, it become 8, and this side is already having the 8 stones, so it doesn't affect. Let me do one more time. Let me put one stone here on this side. Now this side has 9 stone, okay, and this side has only 8 stone right now. So if I move from this side to this side count will be 8 only, and now this has decreased to 1. So from 9 it become 8. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 8 on each side. Let's move one more stone. Let's take one stone here and put it on this side. So now we have 9 stone here. I will move one stone from the corner to other side. So let's move this stone. I will move this stone to this side. This side is already having the 8. So count is not affected. But yes, from 9 it become 8. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 8 on each side. Now we are left with 3 more stones. Let's see where we can move this one. I will take this stone one more from here and I will put it here. And we have still 2 stones on the corner. So we will remove one stone from this side. So this become from 9 stone, it become 8, and this is already 8. So it is not affected. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we are left with 2 stones. Let's move this stone to here. And I will move this stone here from here. So here it were 9. Now I moved from here to here. It become 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 8. Now we are left with single stone. Where we will move it? Yes, we will move on this side. And we will take out this cornerstone, one of the cornerstone, and we will move it this side. So this become 8 again, and this become also, this remains 8. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have moved all the 6 stones from the middle to each side of the square, and still the count is 8. From the starting it was 8 when there were 6 stones, and now it is also 8. So if you have noticed this cornerstone, now we are left with 1, 1, 1, 1 stone. So what the trick is, we have to take one stone from the middle and put it in such a way that it is not single. The cornerstone is not single. We have to move that stone from other side. So once you add one stone here, it will become 9. And if you again from the cornerstone, if you move it to other side, it will become 8. So this side won't be affected. That's the trick of this stone paradox puzzle. So friends, hope you enjoyed this paradox stone puzzle. If you like my video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to Payazi channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.